going to turn right.
This fox going like this, walking is slow, and he's always thinking that something like follow him, and it's coming back like 2 kilometers sideways, and he coming looking this own step like something like 50 meters. You understand? And if there's someone like follow him, he's seeing this fox, seeing this follower. But this follower not see this fox, and this fox can run away. And that's what we make in Arvin, ketullenkki. We make in same way.
Okay. That's a very good tactic.
Yeah. We going like 2 kilometers forward, and they coming back and going nearer to this what we walking, like 50 meters.
But you're doing good. You're running too slow. 56. This is 70 kilometers per hour. There's a camera. Maybe that. Or that. That one. This is 90. You have to focus driving now. Don't wait for my
People within like 3.5.
They 50 kilometers per hour.
The salary is not so cool. It's not so cool.
50 kilometers per hour.
But they not pay much taxes.
50 kilometers per hour.
Yeah. And they put in this money like restaurant and surround it. It's rounded.
Okay, just 50 kilometers per hour. This is 3.2 kilometers. There's a parking area somewhere in front. Do you see the sun?
In 200 meters, turn right.
This is naman so steep.
More.
Yeah. We just don't drive this in the very cliff area, okay? Up. Yeah, okay. I was thinking that at the sun, huh?
Where I parking?
Take the next right, then your destination will be on the left.
Okay, now we can park somewhere. That area, yes, this is parking area. This
So we're going outside we will see.
yes, we can. It's like this, Esa. There is a parking area in here. You see that
You
entrance?
meant there,
Yes,
okay.
there's an entrance. You're going to entrance, I guess. Let me see.
Okay.
Yes, this entrance is good. Yeah. You can park here.
Okay, so we're going see area.
Yep.
Papa tower pool.
He's sleeping.
Okay, let's go looking. See area. Come.
Joshua, we are here now. Your son is wake up now. Come here. Beach, yes. Come here. Get your shoes. Naiwan nila, oh. Oh. But they... They should not do this. Maybe there is other dog somewhere here. He's feeling cold. He needs some jacket. Come here. Ngayon, day 57. Later. We're just gonna look. Tomorrow you can play. But now you will not because it's so cold. And you're not feeling well. Okay? We're just gonna play for now. And it's in our storage room. Ayan. It is so nice to be here. Fishing area. You wanna be a snowman? Or do you wanna be a boy? Mom is feeling chilly. You like to see the sea area? That's the sea area. You see that? You feeling cold? Okay, don't worry. We're not gonna stay long here. We just look here.
Okay.
We are going now with you. Let's go, anak.
Let's go.
Yes. Can you carry him? Carry him.
Tule. Onko kylmä? Tule. Ai.
La 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 la.
Täällä. Oh, on kylmä. Voi ei.
La 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 la.